How to change profile picture on Discord. So if you want to change your profile picture on Discord, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar, search for Discord. And after searching, here on the first search you will have discord.com. Click on that and go to open Discord, which is on the upper right corner. And make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, here on the bottom side you will have your profile. You can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom left corner, and then click on your profile. Now you can click on the pencil shaped icon which says edit profile, which is on the upper right corner. Now here on the right side you will have your profile preview. So if you want to change your profile picture, then you can simply click on your profile picture, and then from here you can upload an image, or you can also choose a GIF. So I'll be uploading an image. I'll be taking this one. Now you can adjust your photo, and after adjusting you can go to apply, which is on the bottom right corner. And here on the bottom right corner you will have save changes. Simply click on that, and that's it. That's how you change your profile picture on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.